Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Let me just check my font size first. Okay, let's just up the font size. Today we're going to talk about one of Python's special variables. Okay, let's have a look. So I'm just simply going to do, first of all, import OS, and I think that's about all I need to import. I'm going to create a function called open file because we're going to open up a txt file here. I'm going to create a path to show our program where that txt file is. So it's on my desktop, so this is the path to my desktop. It's not the path to your desktop. You'll have to find your own unique desktop path, because if you type this in, you're going to get an error. So that's my desktop path. Now I'm going to use os.chdr to change the directory to the path above. Now we're in that path. We're going to create some user input here, entry, assign it to input. So we're going to ask the user to enter something. Enter a file to open. I think I've got a file on my desktop. The file on my desktop is called text.txt. Okay, so I'm going to create another function here called open txt. I'm going to pass it an argument, which is going to be entry for this up here, and I'm going to open it. Assign that to open the entry up here, the file that I typed in. Okay, and I'm going to print it out. It's going to be file dot read. Okay, now here comes the special variable to make the magic. Okay, let's just I forgot to put this in, which is going to be open txt, and we have to pass it this argument here, which is entry. Okay, let's just save that, run it. Okay, text.txt, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that, and remember to hit that subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.